Welcome back. Comments in WordPress allow your site visitors to engage in discussions with you and other visitors. Therefore, it's a great way to build rapport with visitors as well as increasing your blog audience. The activity module on the dashboard is telling us two comments are awaiting moderation. Comments that are awaiting moderation will be highlighted in red. Just under the comment, we can approve, reply, edit, mark as spam, or delete this comment. You can unapprove a comment at any time by clicking unapprove. In the first comment, we can see the URL to Google is mistyped, so I'll go ahead and edit the comment. First, I'll fix the URL and then toggle the comment status to approved and then click update. Next, I'll reply to this comment. You're able to format your replies using the tags on the toolbar. To view a comment, click the hashtag after the comment title. You'll be taken to the public view of the post where the comments reside. You can leave additional comments by typing in the comments field, or if you want to reply to a certain comment, click on reply under that particular comment. The comment box will now be positioned just under the comment you're replying to. Click on the X to cancel commenting. Because I'm currently logged in, I can only see a comment field. If I log out, we'll see the comment form as it appears to the public, and in order to leave a comment, I'll need to enter my name and email. This adds an additional layer of security so your blog does not get spammed. Obviously, this security layer isn't foolproof, and we'll talk about additional settings you can change later in the video. To access the Comments subpanel, go to the dashboard, then click on the Comments menu. At the top is a summary of all comments on your site. You're able to see how many total comments you have, and out of those comments, how many are pending, approved, spam, and in the trash. Much like posts and pages, hovering over a comment will bring up additional options. These are the same options we saw on the dashboard, however, we can now quick edit comments. The bulk action menu can be used to manage multiple comments at once. Comments can be approved or unapproved, marked as spam, or moved to the trash. You can also filter comments to display only comments that are made on your site, or you can choose to display pings, which are comments made on another website and contains a link to your article. When you are managing comments, you may find yourself dealing with, for example, comment spam or comments that contain inappropriate content. So to manage comments more effectively, there are another set of options available for you to configure. To access these settings, go to the Discussion subpanel under Settings. Think of pingbacks and trackbacks as remote comments. They appear when an external blog links to your article, or vice versa. You can choose whether you'd like to send these pings when you link to an external blog, or if you'd like to receive pings from other blogs when they link to you. To build rapport and encourage discussions, it's a good idea to allow visitors to post comments on new articles. You can choose how you regulate the posting of comments. It's common practice to require visitors to enter their name and email when leaving comments. This acts as a deterrent for spammers. If you find you're getting a large amount of spam, you may want to require visitors to be logged into your website before they're allowed to leave a comment. However, this makes it more difficult for visitors to enter discussions as people do not want the hassle of registering. It's a good idea to leave this unchecked. You can choose to automatically close comments on articles older than a certain number of days, but keep in mind, while activating this option may be a good way to combat spam, it does prevent genuine visitors from leaving comments. You can also enable threaded or nested comments up to 10 levels deep. This helps your visitors to differentiate between top-level comments and replies to that particular comment. Let me show you what I mean. If a visitor leaves a comment on an article, it's a top-level comment. If visitors reply to that comment, it will be nested under the top-level comment, indicated by the indentation. This keeps everything nice and tidy. If you have a large number of comments, you may want to break up your comments into multiple pages, and you can choose to display comments in chronological order with the oldest comments at the top, or reverse chronological order with the newest comments at the top. You can choose to be notified by email whenever someone posts a comment, or anytime a comment is held for moderation. And before a comment is displayed on your site, you can choose to always manually approve comments, or you can choose to automatically approve it, provided the commenter has had at least one previously approved comment. If a comment contains 2 or more links, which is a common trait of spam, then we can choose to hold it for manual approval. You can also hold comments for moderation if they contain any words you enter into this field. You can enter a list of commonly used spam words into this field, or the comment blacklist field. The difference between these two fields is if a comment contains a word from the comment moderation field, that comment will be held for moderation. If a comment contains a word from the comment blacklist field, that comment will automatically be marked as spam instead of being held for moderation. You can enable or disable avatars, which are thumbnails that appear next to your username when you leave a comment, and depending on the theme you're using, they may also appear next to the author name in posts and pages. You can choose a rating for these avatars, and you can choose a default avatar visitors will have if they haven't created their own. Something of interest here is the Gravatar. Gravatar stands for Globally Recognized Avatar, and is used by millions of people and websites. Using Gravatar, users can register an account using their email address and upload an avatar they like to associate with the account. When a user posts a comment on your site, WordPress checks whether the email entered matches an email address at Gravatar, and if a match is found, the Gravatar will be displayed along with the comment. In a nutshell, if you select the Gravatar option, any users with a Gravatar account will have their own custom avatar. This is a good reason to require users to fill out their name and email when leaving a comment. Next, we are going to move on to managing users.